Girls, we are in continuation of our chapter number 1, and in this now we come to the last topic, that is revival of soil nutrients. We all know that the plants, they need the nutrients for the better crop cultivation, right? And these nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, these are all needed by the plants so that they can yield better vegetation. And these nutrients, they are taken by the soil. Now sometimes what happens, sometimes the soil is very rich in nutrients, so the plants take very easily these nutrients from the soil. But sometimes what happens, the soil is devoid of these nutrients. How come? Because again and again we are doing cultivation on the same soil. One time we have done cultivation, then after 6 months when we reap, when we cut the crops, then again we do the cultivation on the same soil, so the soil becomes devoid of that nutrients. Okay, sometimes this happens. Sometimes the soil is not rich in nutrients from the first time only. So in such case what happens, we have to add fertilizers to the soil. By adding fertilizers, we give these nutrients to the plants artificially, right? So that we can have good crop vegetation. Now girls, there are some cereal crops. The cereal crops, they need more of nitrogen fertilizer because they need more of nitrogen. But there are some plants, there are some crops like leguminous crops. What are these leguminous crops? Leguminous crops are those vegetation, are those plants which do not need much of nitrogen. Why? Because their roots is containing some part which is legumes or the nodules. What is there? The roots, they have a certain part in that which is called legumes or the nodules. They are a part of root only, and these legumes or the nodules, they contain a bacteria, and this bacteria is known as rhizobium. Now what does this rhizobium does? Rhizobium, what does it does? It takes the nitrogen from the atmosphere. In atmosphere the nitrogen is already present, you know that very well. What does this does? This takes that nitrogen from the atmosphere and converts it into the soluble form that can be absorbed by the roots, right? So see, the nitrogen is present in the air. You can say, ma'am, any plant can take nitrogen from there because it is already present in the air. No, they cannot take directly the nitrogen which is present in the air. That nitrogen has to be converted into a soluble form that gets mixed with the soil and the roots can absorb it. So this is done by this bacteria rhizobium. Is that clear? So it helps to convert that nitrogen into the soluble form, and then the roots, they take that nitrogen. So these leguminous crops such as peas, beans, pulses, they satisfy their nitrogen need from their roots in which the bacteria is present. They do not need much of the fertilizer, the nitrogen fertilizer. I hope that is clear. Okay, now girls, after this the chapter comes to an end, and these book pages, the exercise, I will send you the picture of these with the tick mark or the fill in the blanks all done, so that you can do it in your own book for your records. This thing you will not do it in the copy. Only these: give reasons for the following, answer the following questions briefly, and answer the following questions in detail. These three parts, in these three parts, I will, what I'll do is, sometimes I may send the whole questions, sometimes I'll tick mark which is required and which is not required. So you will do, suppose I have given the whole part, all the questions, then you will do all the questions in your science register. Science register means which is one-sided plane, one-sided lines. Yeah, like you did in 6th class. Okay. And the diagrams also I will write down under the answer only. I will give the answer written. I will give the photocopy of that. Okay, so that you can copy in your fair notebook. Right, girls? So this we will do in the next. This I will send in the next session. I think that will be on Thursday. So these three things I will send on Thursday, but these, give to example, all the book work I'm sending you today, okay, along with the video, so that you can copy in your book. I hope everything is clear to you.